I'm Meredith O'Connor, International Director at JLL and the new Chairman of mHUB. I previously worked at the City of Chicago and World Business Chicago on economic development matters as well as governmental incentives, helping technology companies and companies growing their business. I remember back in 2012 having a conversation with Haven and Bill regarding an incubator space for manufacturers. We had never really seen something like that in the Chicagoland market or frankly anywhere across the country. So what we looked for was some flex space that would allow people to come in and turn their ideas into reality. So as mHUB's popularity grew, so did their need for new space. And when we ventured out to find the new space, it took us over 2 years. And with a partnership between the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago, we were able to locate the perfect building within an opportunity zone at 1623 West Fulton Street. This new location has allowed us to propel our hard tech business and expand our relationships with our founders and our manufacturers. mHUB is unique because it's a hyper-resourced environment with state-of-the-art equipment and advanced prototyping labs, but it also offers access to some of the best industry experts in the world. What gets me really excited about mHUB is when I visit and I see the founders and entrepreneurs turning their ideas into a physical product and really changing the way that we have our everyday life.